it's Maxine at Fabricland. I'm introducing our new cushion kit that we've got today. So what we've done is made up one of these so you can see in our Arcadia print. The cushion pack comes with the cushion infill, the fabric, the zip and the thread, and we've got lots of different fabrics that you can do it in. We've got these lovely polyviscose tartans that you could make them in. Maybe that'd be good for on your sofa. We've got lots of cotton prints that we do normally, but we've got the camper vans and the space and the pirates. If you've got a pirate bedroom, if you like nautical, dogs, swells, cotton reels, if you wanted to make something for your sewing room, diggers, all sorts of different ones. We've also got our canvas prints included, and they're a little bit heavier in weight. And we've got the alphabet, the unicorns. There's lots on our website to look at. And we've even included some of our Christmas prints in case you want to get ahead and maybe make some cushions for Christmas. So why not have a go?